Seniors, just one oil rebuilds hair and repairs dead follicles better than expensive serums. The oil that is changing the game for senior hair health is rosemary oil, but specifically when used as a botanical signal for vascular dilation. Science has shown that certain compounds in rosemary are just as effective as traditional pharmacy treatments at improving hair density over a 6-month period. For a senior, this is a massive win because it avoids the scalp irritation and systemic side effects often found in synthetic products. By applying this oil, you are essentially re-irrigating the soil of your scalp, allowing the tiny capillaries to deliver the building blocks your hair needs to grow back stronger and more resilient. We have to look at the scalp as an extension of your skin's overall health. Over the decades, the scalp can become tight and the skin can thin, which physically compresses the follicles and limits their growth potential. Rosemary oil doesn't just sit on the surface. It works as a bioactive agent that encourages the skin to remain supple and well oxygenated. When you massage this oil into your scalp, you are breaking up calcification and tension that may have been building up for years. This is a ground-up restoration project that respects the delicate biology of aging hair. Consistency is the absolute key to seeing a transformation. Hair grows in long cycles, and you need to provide the right signals consistently over several months to see a true change in density. This isn't a miracle overnight fix, but a legitimate biological rebuilding process. By incorporating this oil into your routine twice a week, you are providing a steady supply of antioxidants that protect the emerging hair from environmental damage. It is about creating a protective shield while simultaneously fueling the growth engine at the base of the hair shaft. Many seniors find that their hair becomes brittle or frizzy as the natural oil production of the scalp decreases. While rosemary oil works on the follicle, using a carrier oil like jojoba or argan oil alongside it provides the essential fatty acids that mimic your scalp's natural sebum. This duo works together to seal the hair cuticle, reflecting light and giving your hair that youthful, healthy sheen that expensive serums try to replicate with silicones. You are getting real structural shine rather than a temporary plastic coating. It's a smarter, more human way to care for your appearance. One of the most powerful aspects of this oil is its ability to clear away the biofilm that can accumulate on the scalp. This buildup of old skin cells and product residue can literally suffocate a follicle, preventing new hair from breaking through the surface. Rosemary oil has natural cleansing properties that help keep the scalp environment pristine. For a senior, maintaining this clean soil is vital for preventing the inflammation that often leads to further thinning. By switching to this natural approach, you are removing the toxic burden from your scalp and letting your body do what it does best: regenerate. We also have to consider the role of nutrition. Your hair is made of protein, and your body will only allocate protein to your hair if your vital organs are already well supplied. This is why a nutrient-dense diet is the perfect partner for this oil treatment. When you are feeding your body high-quality minerals and proteins internally and applying the rosemary oil externally to improve circulation, you are creating the perfect storm for hair regrowth. You are attacking the problem from the inside out and the outside in. This is the holistic blueprint for senior vitality. Before we get to that final absorption secret, remember that stress management is a huge factor in hair health. High levels of cortisol can actually push hair follicles into a resting phase prematurely. The act of massaging this oil into your scalp is a therapeutic, relaxing ritual that lowers your stress levels while you treat your hair. It's a moment of self-care that pays off in both your mental well-being and your physical appearance. You are proving that taking care of your looks is actually a deep form of taking care of your health. Now for the scalp steam technique I promised you. Before applying your oil, take a clean washcloth, soak it in warm water, and wrap it around your head for 3 minutes. This gentle heat causes the pores to dilate and increases the surface blood flow. Immediately after removing the cloth, apply your oil mixture and massage it in. This pre-opening of the scalp allows the bioactive compounds in the oil to travel much deeper and much faster than if you applied it to cold, dry skin. It's the difference between a surface treatment and a deep tissue renovation. By adopting this simple, science-backed habit, you are taking a stand against the inevitability of thinning hair. You are showing that you understand the mechanics of your own body and that you aren't afraid to use natural, efficient tools to stay looking and feeling your best. Your hair is a living part of you, and it responds to the quality of the care you provide. Treat your scalp with the same respect you give your heart or your brain, and you will be amazed at how it responds with new growth and renewed strength. I want you to feel a sense of excitement every time you perform this ritual. You aren't just putting on oil, you are tending to a garden that has the potential to bloom once again. you have the wisdom to choose efficacy over marketing and the discipline to stay consistent. Your golden years should be a time of peak confidence and health, and maintaining your hair is a vibrant part of that journey. Stay positive, stay curious, and enjoy the process of watching your vitality return strand by strand. Thank you for joining me today and for being so proactive about your personal health. It is a privilege to share these biological insights with you. If you found this information about rebuilding your hair with natural oil helpful, and you want to continue receiving the most up-to-date, efficient health tips for seniors, please subscribe to the channel. We are a community dedicated to living with strength, grace, and peak vitality at every age. I look forward to seeing your results and seeing you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more senior health secrets.